Can you recolor an image in Canva? Well, the answer is it depends, because Canva doesn't really have a native tools that allow you to select certain area in your photo and then change its color, at least not in the same way that we have in Adobe Photoshop. But there are some workarounds that allow you to change the color of certain objects in your photo with the help of AI. It's not going to be perfect, but I think it's going to be good enough for a lot of people. Let me show you how you can do it. So I have this photo of a man and he's standing here. The background is yellow, but the t-shirt that he's wearing is light pink, and I want to make it different. I want to change the color from light pink to blue, so I just want to change that color. So to do that, you can click on the image and then go to edit, and after that on the Magic Studio you want to open the menu that says Magic Edit, and after that you can use the click method. So the click method is essentially you are using the AI to figure out the objects in the photo, and then you can click on the object to do some modification. In this case, it attacks this person entirely, but I don't need that. I just need it to select just the t-shirt. So I'm going to use this method, the brush method, manually selecting the area that I want to modify. This process could take quite some time depending on the size and the complexity of the object, but you don't have to do it perfectly. This is just for a rough estimate, and it's just helping the AI deciding which part that it has to work with. And as you can see, I'm not doing a great job at this, but again, that's okay, that's not a problem. I just need to be patient when doing this. So if you have a complex object, then you have to manually adjust the brush size based on the element that you want to cover. So anyway, I'm finished with selecting the area that I want to modify. Now I'm going to tell the AI what changes that should be made to this area. So I'm going to tell the AI that I need to turn the color or the t-shirt color to blue, and after that click generate. Now AI will give you 4 different options, and then later you can decide which one do you want to insert to your document. This process will take anywhere between 20 seconds up to a minute, so I'm going to fast forward so you don't have to wait for the generation. All right, now we got some options. You can see you can click on any of it and you will decide which one do you think is looking the best. In my opinion, I think this one looks better. It's sharp and the color is nice. When you're done, you can click done, and that design or that changes will be applied to the photo, and you got this picture. So this is the before photo and this is the after. As you can see, the color is quite different and the editing is almost perfect in my opinion, unless if you look closely there is some bleeding edge around here. It's kind of the color is leaking to the skin. It's not very good, but again, it's very close. So I think this result is pretty good. So that's exactly how you can recolor an image in Canva using AI. I hope you found this video helpful, and if that was the case, please consider subscribing to this channel to see more tutorials like this, and I'll see you on the next video.